Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been a little bit MIA on here, but ever since the beginning of March, I feel like everything has just gone really crazy and we've been so busy. We went to Georgia for a day. We've been updating our second floor at our house, so the whole upstairs, which is where my room is, has been in a huge mess. So I haven't been able to film in my room because we also had some people staying with us and they stayed in my room and I stayed downstairs. All of that to say, I'm back and I'm actually going to Costco today for the first time. Believe it or not, I asked for a Costco membership for Christmas and I got one, but I haven't been able to go down yet because it's like 45 minutes away and I just haven't taken the time to do that. But we're going today, so I thought I would show y'all what we buy. I'm with my parents, but they just ran into a store real quick. So I'll show y'all what we get and also maybe some other keto friendly items. And also the reason I wanted a Costco membership is because we've always had memberships to Sam's and BJ's. So I wanted to try out Costco because just seeing a lot of people I follow on Instagram and on YouTube, I feel like they have more of the brands that I like to have and more of their produce is organic and non-GMO and all of that stuff. So that's why I'm getting this membership. Okay, I'm an official Costco member. First find Zip Fizz, of course. So we are on our way home from Costco. My mom and dad with me, and we just stocked up on a bunch of groceries. And I have to say, I was pretty impressed with some of the deals or prices that Costco had. Like the kombucha was $4 off, I believe, and I think it was cheaper than Sam's with that sale. So when we get home, I'll show you everything that we got. And the only thing that I really wanted to get today, and they didn't have it, was the everything bagel seasoning, because I use that pretty much on a daily basis. So to get it in a bulk size would have been awesome. So I'll have to keep my eye out for that. But I'll show y'all what we got when I get home. We got 2 quarts of heavy cream, green beans, 3 cases of the GT's kombucha in the gingerade flavor, and then some lettuce, some Zip Fizz. This is the black cherry flavor. Brussels sprouts, of course. Wild blueberries. A giant bag of almond flour. Some ground beef, bacon, cucumbers, and some bacon crumbles, which I think that this was cheaper than Sam's as well. And I got this purely pecan butter, and it tastes amazing. And then 2 packages of blackberries. This coastal cheddar, supposedly it tastes just like the Trader Joe's unexpected cheddar, and it was a really good deal. So I'm excited to try that. And a big thing of Kerrygold butter, some tomatoes, and then some organic free-range eggs. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed going to Costco with me. Please let me know in the comments what you like to buy from Costco, and I'll see y'all next time.